Hi, welcome back to Caribbean J. Happy New Year. Let's make a roux. Okay, we're starting off with oil and flour. I will have all the measurement for the ingredients in the description below.
Stuck inside my mind because you gotta be something undefined for me. You're so wild.
Okay, you can either use a spoon to stir it with, or you can use a whisk. Okay, I'm letting it cook. But remember, when you take a little break from it, don't take too long because it burns very quickly. Okay, I'm back stirring it again because I don't want it to burn. Okay guys, I'm gonna do this until it becomes dark as a chocolate color. Okay guys, I'm gonna do this until it becomes brown. I want it to look like chocolate. Okay guys, now look at this color. It's getting there. I still want it a little darker, but if you don't want it as dark as I'm looking for it, this is where you can stop. And then you can add your liquid to it at this point. But we'll take it a little farther. So let's go with me. Okay, this is another stage of the roux that you can stop and add your liquid here. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my other videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, you can add your liquid at any point at this stage where we are right now, because look at the darkness. But of course I want it a little darker, so let's go.
You already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
Okay guys, look at this chocolate color. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, I'm gonna add the cold liquid to the roux a little at a time. Don't be no hurry. Take your time. Remember, this is extremely hot. Okay, I'm gonna keep stirring until I get all the bottom, the scraping from the bottom on the side, and just keep stirring so you don't have any lumps in it, so you can have a smooth gravy. Okay, and when we're finished, we're gonna leave it to simmer a little bit, and you can season it and do whatever you wish to do with it now. Add your protein, your veggies, make a good soup.